Welcome to Minexa.ai, where you can easily scrape multiple data scientist job listings without any scraping skills, fully API ready and fast.
I'm heading to the workinstartups.com page where data scientist job listings are ready to be scraped.
Next, open the Minexa.ai extension by clicking its icon right here to get started quickly. With Minexa.ai open, click the violet button "I'm on the right page" so it can analyze the job listings automatically. Already spotted, Minexa.ai knows how this site loads more results, so it handles pagination seamlessly. Now choose whether to scrape only the job listings or also each listing's detail page for more info. Continue if the list shows directly, or select Advanced if you need to click buttons, drop-downs, or inputs first. Minexa.ai highlighted your data automatically. Click Create Scraper to teach it exactly what to extract forever. Minexa.ai detected all data points like job titles, companies, locations, and dates. Select the data fields you want. They stay consistent each time. If you're a developer, click API Request to get Python-ready code. Just add your URLs and start scraping right away. Click Complete Configuration to confirm your settings and finalize the scraper setup. Pagination detected automatically. Your scraper will collect jobs across every page without extra setup. On the last screen, schedule your job or connect Google Sheets. One more click, and the scraper is live. Just hit Run. That's the whole process to start extracting multiple data scientist job listings quickly and reliably. Nothing is guessed or changed in the results. Every value matches exactly what was on the page, like job title, company name, location, salary, and date posted, pulled from the correct places every time. Hit Export, and your dataset downloads immediately, with each job listing in its own row for easy use. The internet holds vast data you can harness. Minexa.ai makes web data accessible to everyone, and for developers too, without costly or inconsistent AI interpretations.